George Edward Foreman, January 10, 1949, March 21, 2025, was an American professional boxer, businessman, minister, and author. In boxing, he competed between 1967 and 1997 and was nicknamed Big George. He was a two-time world heavyweight champion and an Olympic gold medalist. He is the namesake of the George Foreman Grill. After a troubled childhood, Foreman took up amateur boxing and won a gold medal in the heavyweight division at the 1968 Summer Olympics. Having turned professional the next year, he won the world heavyweight title with a stunning second-round knockout of the then undefeated Joe Frazier in 1973. He defended the belt twice before suffering his first professional loss to Muhammad Ali in the Rumble in the Jungle in 1974, unable to secure another title opportunity. Foreman retired after a loss to Jimmy Young in 1977. Following what he referred to as a born-again experience, Foreman became an ordained Christian minister. 10 years later, he announced a comeback and in 1994, at age 45, won the unified WBA, IBF, and lineal heavyweight championship titles by knocking out 26-year-old Michael Moorer. He dropped the WBA belt rather than face his mandatory title defense soon after, and following a single successful title defense against Axel Schultz, Foreman relinquished his IBF title as well on June 28, 1995, at 46 years and 169 days old. He became the oldest world heavyweight champion in history, as well as the second oldest boxer to win a world title in any weight class after Bernard Hopkins at light heavyweight. Foreman also holds the record for the longest interval between world title reigns, spanning more than 20 years. He retired in 1997 at the age of 48, with a final record of 76 wins, 68 knockouts, and 5 losses. Foreman was inducted into the World Boxing Hall of Fame and International Boxing Hall of Fame. The International Boxing Research Organization rates Foreman as the 8th greatest heavyweight of all time. In 2002, he was named one of the 25 greatest fighters of the past 80 years by The Ring. The Ring ranked him as the 9th greatest puncher of all time. 10, he was a ringside analyst for HBO's boxing coverage for 12 years, until 2004. Outside boxing, Foreman was a successful entrepreneur and known for his promotion of the George Foreman Grill, which has sold more than 100 million units worldwide by 2011. In 1999, he sold the commercial rights to the grill for $138 million. By his own admission in his autobiography, George was a troubled youth. He dropped out of school at the age of 15 and spent time as a mugger. At age 16, Foreman had a change of heart and convinced his mother to sign him up for Job Corps after seeing an ad for the Corps on TV. As part of Job Corps, Foreman earned his GED and trained to become a carpenter and bricklayer. After moving to Pleasanton, California, with the help of a supervisor, he began to train. Foreman was interested in football and idolized Jim Brown, but gave it up for boxing. Foreman was married to Mary Joan Martelli from 1985 until his death. He had 4 previous marriages to Adrienne Calhoun from 1971 to 1974, Cynthia Lewis from 1977 to 1979, Sharon Goodson from 1981 to 1982, and Andrea Skeet from 1982 to 1985. Foreman had 12 children, 5 sons and 7 daughters. His 5 sons are George Jr., George the 3rd Monk, George the 4th Big Wheel, George the 5th Red, and George the 6th Little Joey. Foreman explained, "I named all my sons George Edward Foreman so they would always have something in common. I say to them, if one of us goes up, then we all go up together, and if one goes down, we all go down together." As with his father, George III has pursued a career in boxing and entrepreneurship. George appeared on the 2nd season of the reality television series American Grit, where he placed 7th. His 7 daughters are Natalie, Lela, Frida, Michi, Georgetta, Isabella, and Courtney. Natalie and Lela are from his marriage to Mary Joan Martelli. His daughters from separate relationships are Frida, Michi, and Georgetta. He adopted a daughter, Isabella Brandy Lilia Foreman, in 2009 and adopted another non-biological daughter named Courtney Isaac Foreman in 2012. Frida had a 5-1 record as a pro boxer, retired in 2001, and died in 2019 at age 42 in an apparent suicide. Isabella Foreman lives in Sweden, where she has blogged since 2010 under the name of Bella Nutella. In recognition of Foreman's patriotism and community service, the American Legion honored him with its James the Fifth Day Good Guy Award during its 95th National Convention in 2013. Death Foreman died in a hospital in Houston on March 21, 2025, at age 76. His memorial service was held on April 14th at the Wortham Theater Center. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.